This right here is the Rossi Grows BC Northern Lights automated grow box. We got CO2 controls, water override. We can set the timing of the light all by the flip of a switch. You no longer gotta think about processes of what you gotta do of growing. This thing just does it automated for you. It's got exhaust fans, intake and exhaust. That's where we put the lights. You see, there's lights. You can do different seasons. You can grow your tomatoes, your vegetables, your lettuce, anything you want in here. With record lightning speeds. It's got the gauge, so you can connect the CO2 tanks. We got water thermometers, so we can keep all the water and temperatures, everything up to sync. We have the carbon filter in case of any smelly smells. We can get rid of that. Off and on switch for the exhaust fans. This is how you should grow your vegetables at home.